I'm in the room today. Well, for the time being, I'm supposed to head out and start dashing in a couple hours, but my brother just had to give me $20 so we can eat because Lexi and I hadn't eaten a meal in about 24 hours. There's the grind. This shit, I don't even know what to say, man. Like I want to vent. Like I want to, say how I feel and get my frustration out. But I can't seem to do that without getting emotional, so I don't want to do it. This shit is hard. Every day I get up and I go deliver food for 7-8 hours just to make enough money to pay for this room for the night. But then, that doesn't cover things like gas and food and stuff like that. I got up, by the time I got back to this spot, the hotel, it was 4:00 in the morning yesterday. And I came in, I got undressed and I laid down, and I just was I didn't make no point to go fully to sleep because I ate. I had to get up and take Lexi to work. So from 4 to 8, I was not sleeping, and then I took her to work, and then I came back and I napped for a few hours, and then she was hungry, and I was hungry, so I'm like, I gotta figure out something. So luckily, my brother sent me $20 so we can get some food. And shout out to my brother and Lethal, our son, because I've said it repeatedly, I don't know where we'd be at if it wasn't for those two. Those two have been, they've been invaluable. So, or valuable, or however you want to say it. But I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I've been going for almost 2 weeks straight every day. I'm tired. You ever been so tired that you feel sick? That's how I feel. I feel sick to my stomach because how tired I am. I don't know what else to do. I keep trying to find different ways to make money. I'm like, it's 2025, bro. What the hell? Why can't I find a way to make money? But then, all my skills, I've already been putting out there, you know what I mean? So, and I guess that's not the type of help that people need or want right now, Try to find I can't even get a 9 to 5 now because we live in this hotel room and we have Harley, and I can't leave Harley in a hotel room all day, and then we only have one car. So, what happens if I get a job in Fort Lauderdale and she's working in Delray Beach? You know what I mean? We can't do that. I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. I'm frustrated. I'm so many things. Look, they came and gave us new linen and made the bed. You should have seen my bed before. I just didn't give a fuck. But I'm tired, man. I get up every day and I do this drive, and it's and I do it for the day, and it's okay, now I need to pay for the next day. And then the next day, my brother's, I text my brother, and I'm like, dude, would it would it sound bad? Like, would it make me any less of a man if I said I didn't want to go deliver food today? And he's like, nah, like, I don't want to go to work every day. Like, I do it because it's frowned upon and, I got bills to pay. But he's like, I don't want to. And I'm like, he's like, you got the next day covered? And I'm like, hell no. And he's like, oh shit. So I'm like, yeah, like, I don't know what to do. I'm running on the light. I'm running on fumes. Like, I'm tired, man. Like, this shit. If you ever think about chasing your dreams, just know that the reason why the payoff feels so good when you do succeed is because this grind will break you down. I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to do that. I wanted to talk to you this morning, but it was 4 a.m. and I was exhausted. And the only thing I can think of is coming upstairs and laying down. But I had to get up because Lexi was hungry. And, but I'm just going to tell you, the goal is this channel. To use my channel to spread my message, to do my work and stuff like that. Like, the goal is this channel. So if you see a video pop up, if you see a short, if you see me out there hustling, if you see me out there doing a thing, man, help move the channel along. Help move the channel along. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. Like, I'm trying to build something here and not just a stupid YouTube channel so that I can have subscribers, but I'm trying to really do something important with my life. And this shit is the hardest thing I ever had to do. So if you see your boy's content, go hard, engage, baby. Do it, help push it out, help the algorithm, help whatever, I don't know, whatever it is that makes videos blow up. Like, do what you do all of that. When you see me out there, you see a video of me delivering food and out there hustling, like, just push it along. That's the best thing you can do for me right now. Like, and then drop some words of encouragement. Some helpful, keep going. Hey, hang in there. I need all of it. I need all of it right now. Anyway, I'm going to lay down for a little bit till it's time to go get Lexi and then get dressed. And pray for me.